Hello UofG, and welcome to my crib. This is the hallway. This is where we greet all of our fellow students when they come in the door. So I'll take you around and give you a tour. So this is the wall photographs of our flat that one of our flatmates made for us last year when I was in my 3rd year of university. So show some favourites, shall I? Here is me and all my boys before Daft Friday last year. Oh, here's one of the 3 flatmates together. There's me, that's Isla, and there's Jamie. The 3 flatmates of the flat. Okay, so now I'll take you through and show you the kitchen. Follow me. Right, well, I'll show you my favourite part of the kitchen. So this is an idea that my first flatmate came up with, and it's called the wall of quotes, and it's basically just if you see something funny whilst living in the flat, it usually ends up on this wall. This one is one of my favourites. Why do you live in spam? So yeah, these are a couple of classics, and this is from the time that my flatmate tried to explain to my 6-year-old sister what DNA was. Over this way we have the hand, so that if anyone comes to the flat having any problems, we can give them a hand. Over this way, this is basically I eat a lot of butternut squashes, so therefore we always have a butternut squash here with a face on it that I've not eaten. Oof. And then over here, this is the kitchen table where we eat all of our meals in the flat. And this is the flat painting. So this is the flat painting, which is me and my 2 flatmates are painting a picture together. So this is my section here, this is Isla's section, and then that's Jamie's section, and I guess we all painted them from our own angles. So therefore the hope is that they will all merge into one great big painting when we're done, but it's a work in progress. That's a sneak peek of what it's going to become. So now I'll take you through to see the kitchen, which is this way. I was going to do the dishes before, but then I thought that wouldn't be authentic, so they're still here. So here's the kitchen. Right, okay, we get it. I'm a mess. Thanks. So here's the kitchen. It's pretty small. That's okay, you know, we're a small number of people. And I'll just point out a few of my favourite things in the kitchen. So over here, come closer, come closer. This is the nest. And next to the nest we have the experiment, which is my favourite part of the kitchen. And this is going to make kombucha, so this is a fermented tea. Well, that's all we've got time for here on UofG Welcome to My Cribs. Thanks very much for visiting our flat today. I'll show you to the door.